exams. Anxiety, pressure, tension, fear. To help our children go calmer during exam time. So what is the importance of Dahi Cheeni before exam time? How to reduce the pressure of exam with Dahi Cheeni? Let's know more about it from our special guest, Ms. Nidhi Jain. Welcome Nidhi on our channel.
Thank you so much for inviting me over.
Okay, so the first question which I would like to ask you is that what is the importance of Dahi Cheeni during exam times?
March is the perennial month of exams. Stress and tension, worry for parents and children alike, for teachers, schools, it's just the whole season. It's the most beautiful season of the year, it's spring, and yet all that's there in the air for those who have kids is worry, stress, tension, will they do well, the fear of success. So traditionally we give our children Dahi Cheeni before they go to exam, Dahi Shakkar like they say, or Dahi Cheeni, depends on which part of the country you are in. During exams, there is stress and tension in the student's body. Stress is connected to a chakra in our body called the solar plexus chakra. When we give them Dahi, it's got cooling energies. It calms them down, brings down their level of stress. What is the shakkar for? To make it tastier? No way. Shakkar or sugar gives us energy. We've all heard of sugar rush. So when we eat sugar, we get more energy. So when you're calm and you have the right energy, you can answer your exam better in a proper manner. The tiredness of, let's say, studying the whole night or for not sleeping for 2 to 3 nights before the exam can all be overcome if you have enough energy in the body and you're calm and collected and you do not allow anxiety to take you over. So that's the relevance of Dahi Cheeni, and if we feed our children Dahi Cheeni before they go for the exams with the right intention and the understanding, the effect is far more powerful than just following it in blind belief. Even though blind beliefs work, but the understanding allows the energy to go deeper into their system and help them give the exams better.
Thank you Nidhi. Today you have really explained it so nicely, the importance of Dahi Cheeni, especially during the exam time. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and sharing your thoughts on our channel. Keep liking, keep subscribing and keep sharing your views.